Good morning, Tatum here. Welcome back. Today I have a wake-up workout to help get you moving and set your mind straight for the day, so let's get to it. All right, we're gonna get started with this little morning wake-up workout, okay? A very short workout to help you get moving, to get your endorphins going, to set your mind and body right for the day. We're gonna start at 1 rep, and then we're gonna move up to 10 reps on this one, so just follow my lead, okay? All you need is a towel and some water maybe, and that's it, okay? So here we go. We're gonna inchworm out, come down, touch the floor, walk it all the way out. We're gonna come down into a low push-up with our right arm, back up, back into that low plank with the left arm, back up, and then I want you to walk it all the way in. I'll go slow. These first few, we'll start to speed it up as we get this. We're gonna do a reverse lunge with that right leg, reverse lunge left leg. Then I want you to squat it out for 1. Okay, now we're gonna add to those dynamic plank ups, add to our reverse lunges and our squats. Here we go, walk it out. We're gonna do our right arm. Down for 1, right arm up. Down for 2, right arm up. Left arm down, left arm up, 1. Down for 2 and up, good. Walk it all the way in. Let's stay with that right leg and reverse lunge. 1, 2, good, left. 1 and 2, give me 2 squats. 1, 2, good, working up to 3. Here we go, walk it all the way out again. Right arm down and up for 1, 2, 3, left arm down and up for 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, walk it in. Good, right leg back, 1, 2, 3, left leg back for 1, 2, 3, 3 squats. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Moving up to 4. Walking it out. Right arm down, right arm up. 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4. Good. Switch left side. 1 and up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. Walk it in all the way. Good job. Here we go. Right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. 4 squats. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, number 5. Here we go. Walk it out. Right arm down for 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5. Nice work. All the way up. Left arm comes down and leads. And 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5. Walk it all the way to the top. Let's bring that right leg behind us for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 squats. Don't let me forget those squats. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. 6. Moving right along. All the way out. Here we go. Right arm down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. If you need to, modify at your knees here, okay? But keep those hips down in line with your spine and your head. Here we go. Left arm down, left arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. All the way in. Woo! Hopefully you're able to keep those legs a little bit straighter as you stretch on each one. Right leg back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side or left leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go, 7s. Moving on up. All the way out. Starting with that right arm down. And up for 1, down. Up 2, down. Up 3, down. Up 4, down. Up 5, down. Up 6, down. Up 7, good. Left arm goes down. And up for 1, down. And up for 2, down. Up 3, down. Up 4, down. Up 5, down. Up 6, last one down. Up and 7, good. Walk it in as straight as you can get those legs. Here we go, right leg steps back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good work. 8s. Here we go. Inchworm out. Walk it out. Right arm down to up. 1, down. Up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Left arm down. Left arm up for 1. Down, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Walk it all the way. And we got it. Right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to touch down now and get a little deeper. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. 8 squats for me. Here we go. 1, try to get at least 90 degrees if you're there today. 2, 3, if not, keep working towards it. 4, bring a chair up behind your bottom. 5, 6, I can help. 7, and 8. Good. Just 2 more rounds. Up to 9. Walking it out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dynamic plank ups here. 5. Up, down. 6. Right arm. 7, 8, and 9. Good job. All right. Left arm leads. Left arm down. Left arm up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. Walk it all the way in. Good. Step back with that right leg for 9. 9. I'm going to count down. 8. And I'm going to touch down and get a little deeper. 7, but you can stay high. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Other side. Left leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good work. Last one. You've made it to the top. Here we go. All the way out. 10 each arm. From your toes or your knees. Let's start with that right arm again. Down and up for 1. Down, up, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, and 10. Good work. Left arm leads. Here we go. Left arm down, left arm up for 1, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, 7, you got it, 8, 9, and 10. Walk it all the way in, straight as you can get those legs. Here we go, right leg back. Touch or stay high. 1, 2, all the way to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Left side, left leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good job, not too bad. For just a second, we're gonna go through about 5 minutes here of getting our heart rate a little bit higher. Just get those endorphins going, make you feel a little sweat if you're not already sweating. We're gonna do a lateral hop lunge. Let me just demonstrate real quick. Side to side, you don't have to hop, you can kind of shuffle, touching down. And then we're gonna do a jumping jack here, up, knee to knee. All right, so follow my lead. We're gonna do about 30 seconds with 10 seconds rest in between. We'll have 4 of each of these, okay? Let's get to it. Here we go. Let's start with those lateral lunge hops, okay? Moving to the side a little bit, digging into those hips. All right, I'm gonna touch down. We're starting with these lateral hops. If you want, take it high here, step it out, okay? Wherever you wanna work this morning. Here we go. We have 30 seconds here. We're down to 10. We're gonna rest for 10, and we're going into our jumping jacks with our knee hits here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Rest on this one. All right, we're gonna go down, up, then knee, knee, out here, okay? 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Follow my lead. Knee, knee, jack. Knee, knee, jack. Knee, knee, jack. You got it. 20 seconds here. Good. You can take this slow, instead of bouncing up on those toes, or step it out, okay? Either way. I'm gonna do a little bouncing here. Get my heart rate up for the day. Get those endorphins going for myself. Up to you. Don't overdo it if that's not what it's about this morning for you. Rest. All right, good work. 10 seconds. Lateral lunge with the hop. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. And I'm gonna touch down. If you wanna bring it up, you can raise those arms up and get off the ground a little bit more, or just slide it and hop. Side to side here, okay? Good job. 15 seconds. Short little workout today. Sometimes we're pressed for time, but we want to fit something in to feel like we've done something, or just to set that mindset in motion for the day. We have rest. 10 seconds. And remember, out, in, the knee, knee, okay? Here we go. Jack, knee, knee, jack, knee, knee. Good. Jack, knee, knee, jack, knee, knee. Good work. You got it. Good. 13 seconds. Good work. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. 10 seconds rest. Lateral hop lunge here. Whew. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Side to side. So today, it's really about just getting moving, getting something in. I talk about getting those steps in, moving throughout the day. Sometimes, for me, if I don't wake up and do a little something to set that in motion, it just doesn't get done. It doesn't come to me as easy throughout the day as it does in the morning. But some mornings, I'm either tired or I have quite a bit to do. This can kind of help me just get in that mindset that we're resting, that, I need to get moving. Let's turn it over. Something is better than nothing. So even in the morning, if you don't have an hour to spare, this is good enough, okay? Just to get you going. Here we go. Jack it out, okay? Start together. Out, knee, knee, ow, knee, knee, okay? So again, doesn't have to be an hour, it just has to be movement. All these little movements, you could do this on your lunch break, especially if you're working from home right now, all right? You can do it as soon as you get home, 1 in the morning, 1 after work. We'll talk about that. 3, 2, 1, good, 10 seconds rest, lateral lunge hop. What I would suggest doing is maybe working down then. Do this in the morning, come home from work, work at your 10 rep on those lunges, and the dynamic plank ups, work at 10 and work down to 1. At the end of the day, when you're a little tired, start high, okay? I'll try to remember to put these in my notes. If not, comment, message me, and I'll get back to you on that if you have some questions, all right? 12 seconds. Keep it going. Reach if you're ready to bring it up and get a little bit more out of this. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Rest. Today's quote: every morning you have 2 choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Carmelo Anthony. Remember, we're back to these jacks. Knee, knee, jack. Good. This is just another thing. Again, maybe you're just getting started and thinking about an hour workout in the morning is overwhelming. It's a lot of sleep to take out if you're not used to it. So start small and build. You'll find that you really like this feeling in the morning and that you want more as you progress, okay? Everybody starts somewhere. Good, 10 seconds rest. Getting close. Actually, that might have been our last one. It was, we made it through. Thank goodness, nice work. A little bit of a warm up there. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, I call it a wake up workout. Honestly, it can be done after work, it can be done after dinner just to get moving. But get moving, don't make it an all or nothing. If you're just getting started, make it 15, 10 minutes. Start somewhere, build from there. Your body will want it, it will crave it just like other things. Make it a habit. You enjoy your day. If you enjoyed this workout, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're bringing these workouts to you daily. See ya.